In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually download Twitter videos from the platform for free. Let me show you how this all works. Let's launch the Twitter app first and let's find the video that we want to download. Let's scroll down and let's try to download this video over here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on this small arrow over here where is the share actual. When you click on the arrow, you'll be able to copy the link. After we copy the link, the second step is even easier. I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this app over here. It's called twittervideodownloader.com. You want to click on it and then essentially you can come over here and you are going to paste the link. We click paste the link and now we're waiting for the video to get processed. You click download and this is how your video is essentially processed. You have two quality options to download the video from. Be very careful, there are plenty of other download buttons on the site. You want to make sure you click the exact one, okay? For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.